Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something I get asked about all the time. The top 5 stocks you should consider adding to your portfolio in 2024. We're going to cover a lot of ground in this video, so buckle up. I'm going to give you the rundown of the companies I think have the most potential in the coming year, and why I'm so bullish on them. Remember, this isn't about getting rich quick. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint, and building long-term wealth requires patience, discipline, and a solid strategy. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 stocks you should consider adding to your portfolio in 2024. Let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with a company that needs no introduction. Apple. Love them or hate them, you can't deny their dominance in the tech world. Some say Apple's best days are behind them. But I'm not convinced. They have an incredibly loyal customer base and their products are practically glued to people's hands. Plus, they're sitting on a mountain of cash. Their push into services like Apple Music, Apple Pay, and Apple TV Plus is exciting. These are growing revenue streams. People are locked into the Apple ecosystem, and new markets like augmented reality and electric vehicles could be massive. We could be talking about a whole new era of growth for Apple. Next up, we have the electric vehicle juggernaut Tesla. Look, I know Tesla's been a wild ride for investors with its fair share of ups and downs. But here's the thing, Tesla is more than just a car company. They're a tech company, an energy company, and an innovator, all rolled into one. They're leading the charge in electric vehicle adoption, and their technology is light years ahead of the competition. Plus, their supercharger network gives them a huge advantage in terms of infrastructure. And let's not forget about Elon Musk. Say what you will about him, but the guy's a visionary. He's constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And I believe he'll continue to drive Tesla to new heights. Yes, there are risks. Competition is heating up and Tesla's valuation is still pretty high. But if you believe in the future of electric vehicles and sustainable energy, then Tesla is a bet on the future. Chapter 3. Amazon.com Inc. The e-commerce king still reigns supreme. Let's talk about the undisputed king of e-commerce, Amazon. They've revolutionized the way we shop. Amazon has become indispensable in our lives. But it's not just about selling stuff online. AWS is a cloud computing powerhouse. AWS powers countless websites and applications. And then there's Amazon Prime. Free shipping, Prime Video, and more perks. Amazon's growth potential is enormous. They're constantly innovating and expanding. Chapter 4. Microsoft Corporation, the tech giant that keeps on giving. Alright, next up we have another tech giant that's often overlooked, Microsoft. People sometimes forget about Microsoft, but they're a powerhouse in the tech industry. They've reinvented themselves and they're here to stay. Their cloud computing platform, Azure, is giving Amazon a run for its money, and their suite of productivity software like Office 365 is pretty much essential for businesses of all sizes. Plus, they're making big moves in gaming with Xbox and their acquisition of Activision Blizzard. What I love about Microsoft is their incredible financial stability. They have a rock-solid balance sheet, consistent profitability, and they pay a decent dividend. They're the kind of company you can feel confident holding for the long haul. While their growth might not be as flashy as some of the other companies on this list, Microsoft is a dependable, cash-generating machine. They're like that reliable friend who always has your back. Chapter 5. Alphabet Inc. Beyond Google. A world of opportunity. Last but not least, we have Alphabet, the parent company of Google. Now, Google needs no introduction. They dominate search, they dominate online advertising, and their Android operating system powers billions of devices worldwide. But here's what's really exciting, their other bets segment. This is where they're investing in moonshot projects like self-driving cars, Waymo, artificial intelligence, DeepMind, and life sciences, Verily. These are high-risk, high-reward ventures that have the potential to be game changers. And let's not forget about YouTube. It's the world's largest video platform, and it's only getting bigger. With their massive reach and influence, Alphabet is in a prime position to capitalize on the future of technology. Now, Alphabet's not without its challenges. Regulatory scrutiny and concerns about privacy are definitely something to watch. But with their track record of innovation and their vast resources, I believe Alphabet has what it takes to navigate these challenges and continue to grow. That's it for today's video. Remember, these are just 5 stocks that I believe have a lot of potential in 2024 and beyond. But always do your own research. Consider your own financial goals and invest accordingly. If you found this information helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more investing tips and stock picks. Turn on notifications so you don't miss an upload. See you in the next one.